removing a user from your PlayStation 5 is very straightforward. So let me show you how to delete any account, including the primary account, from your PS5. To remove an account, you need to be logged in. And after we have logged in, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then go all the way down to Delete Users. Now from here you can delete any account, including the primary account. But if you delete the account that you're logged into, then you need to log into the other account to delete that one. So for example, let's delete the one that we are currently using. As you can see that if you delete an account, their save data, video clips and screenshots will also be removed. So you can back them up before doing this. And after you're done, just press yes, and you'll be logged out from this account. Then you need to press the PS button again. And as I said, if you want to delete another account now, you need to log into that one. Then go to the same place, and from here you can delete this one too. But as you can see here, if you want to delete the last user of your console, it will also reset it and delete all the data that's on your console and its internal storage. So if you don't want to lose all your data, make sure to make a different account before doing it. And we are not gonna do that. And that's all there is to it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you later.